What if I told you there's a blockchain project out there designed not just for the future of decentralized apps, but is already outpacing some of crypto's biggest names? I guess the answer wouldn't be too far off, because that's exactly what Near Protocol is doing. With cutting-edge sharding technology, unmatched scalability, and a thriving ecosystem, Near is pushing the boundaries of what is possible in Web3. Stick around, because I'm breaking down why Near lands at number 4 on my top coins of 2025 list. Let's get it. I'm not a financial advisor. Welcome to BitBoy X, home of the Bit Squad, the highest IQ investors on the planet. If you're here to learn how to dominate the crypto market, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Today, we're talking about Near Protocol, what makes it a game changer, and why it's a key pick for 2025. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Let's recap our list so far, and a reminder, none of our top coins of 2024 list made it to our top 2025 list. So you won't see coins like Solana or XRP or Dogecoin, even though they were tremendous winners in 2024, you should have already been in those. These are 9 brand new coins. And number 9, I've got Polygon, an Ethereum Layer-2 project. Why Polygon? Because institutions own a lot of it, and they're definitely gonna get their money back. And number 8, Filecoin, the backbone of decentralized storage, a hot niche. Number 7, Tau, bringing AI economy to the blockchain. Number 6, Internet Computer Protocol, reimagining the internet. Number 5, Render, taking digital creativity to the next level. You missed those? Check the playlist right here for all the details. And while you're at it, you can see how our 2024 picks stacked up. Spoiler, massive gains. Nobody beats the Bit Squad when it comes to crypto picks. People realize that now. Now, as we get into this Near video, you may want to buy some Near. I got a great place to do it. Exchange partner Phemex, $30,000 sign-up bonus. Link down below, QR code on the screen. Near Protocol is built on a bold idea, making decentralized apps as fast, scalable, and accessible as anything on the web. At the heart of this is nightshade sharding. It splits the blockchain into shards, each processing transactions simultaneously, which means basically Near scales without sacrificing decentralization or security. But what really sets Near apart is how developer friendly it is. They've built an ecosystem that's not just welcoming, but empowering. From robust tools to grants and seamless onboarding, Near is where developers are building Web3's future. Whether it's DeFi, NFTs, or the next viral dApp, Near makes it simple. And let's talk interoperability. Near is not just another siloed blockchain. With bridges to Ethereum and other ecosystems, it's becoming the glue that connects the blockchain world. Think of it as the hub where everything kind of comes together. So why does Near make my top 4? It's not just about potential, it's results. Near's ecosystem is booming with high-profile projects, partnerships, and game-changing tech. It's not just keeping up with Solana or Avalanche, it's carving out its very own lane. Now, don't just take my word for it, experts are bullish too. Coin Bureau calls Near one of the most innovative Layer-1s. And I gotta be honest with you, it was one of their videos that actually made me think, hey, maybe I should give this one a second look. Lark Davis compares its rise to Solana and Avalanche. They both crushed it in the last bull run. And now I'm here saying Near is a must watch for 2025. The numbers don't lie, and neither does the Bit Squad. Scalability is one of Web3's biggest challenges, and Near has cracked the code. With the decentralized app market set to explode in the coming years, Near's perfectly positioned to ride that wave. It's not just speculation, it's strategy. So to sum it up, Near Protocol is redefining Web3. With its nightshade sharding, developer-first approach, unstoppable growth, and AI focus, it's not just competing, it's near the top. It's leading. That's why it's my number 4 pick for 2025. Drop a comment down below. Are you as bullish on Near as I am? Don't forget to smash that like button and check out the rest of my top coins of 2025 up here. Be blessed. BitBoy out.